In this video, I will show you best voice recorder apps for Android. First up is Smart Voice Recorder. This app is designed for high-quality audio recording and is especially useful for long sessions like lectures or meetings. One standout feature is the automatic skip silence mode. This helps save storage space by not recording during silent moments, making your files cleaner and more efficient. It supports a variety of audio formats and has a simple, user-friendly interface that makes navigation easy, even for first-time users. Once you're done recording, you can share files via email or upload them directly to cloud storage. Next is the ASR Voice Recorder, a powerful app packed with features for more advanced users. ASR offers high-quality recording and supports multiple formats, including MP3, WAV, and OGG. It comes with cloud integration, allowing you to save your recordings directly to services like Google Drive or Dropbox. If you need a reliable, flexible recording app for different situations, ASR is a great choice. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.